So now we're gonna try to microwave this shaving cream Barbasol thing. I need another hand. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in here like that. Oh, the microwave's still hecka hot. Now we're gonna shut that, and then we're gonna go 5, 0. Oh, that was, you pushed it twice as long. It worked.
Did you leave the thing in there?
The what?
The plate with all the...
No, I went and washed it off.
Here,
I got it. Oh my god, it's bubbling. Oh shit, what the heck happened? I don't know.
Smells like shit.
Dude, we need to get some kind of like, oh here we got this, let's poke it.
Oh god, Karen. That's my dad's ear spoon.
Well, shh, he won't know we're using it. I don't know.
Ew, it is cantaloupe gut.
Well, don't step back there, it's just the liquid.
Karen, do not.
Well, I don't. It's like it's getting pissed off.
It's hissing.
It's like. Dude. I don't hear you hold this thing.
Yeah, I was about to
you
say,
hold
you
this
want me
thing. Oh no.
Dude, your microwave or your stand is hot.
I want to throw it on the ground. I need another.
You better not.
Well, I don't know what's gonna happen here. What is this thing?
Are you kidding me, Karen?
No, it's okay. Watch, Julia, and learn. It's like it's all coming to wash it. I almost fell over. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh! It kind of broke. Oh! Floating! Oh my god.
That's so cool.
Oh, it's just coming out of its top. Oh my
Please.
god. We need to get some tongs. Remind me next time we need to
You
get
need microwave tongs.
Yeah. Wait, I don't know what's going on with it. I don't know. We're gonna leave that there. Let's
Is the shaving foam hot?
Oh, I don't know. No. Like, I can't see.
It's juicing.
It's like it's coming apart at its seams. Oh my god, I can't. Well, it's not coming out. It's like.
Oh, there's like holes in
Get
it.
closer. Can you see it? See all these little like bubbles? Like all these little things.
That's cool.
But it's like,
Let's look at the plate.
I wonder what happens if we just microwave this. What? It's like when...
It's almost like foamy, creamy.
I don't know. We better throw this in the trash before your dad comes out here and starts yelling at us.
I just want to lick it because I think it's
Don't
whipped cream.
lick it.
I think
oh
it's.
my god, that's fucking hot! Don't touch that! Oh my god! Okay, don't touch the microwave plate. It's really hot.
Oh, you touched the plate?
Yeah, it went down to
That's gonna be
I went to
hot.
grab the foam and I touched the plate and oh shit.
Yeah, this
That
is what
hurt
it
my
looks
fingers.
like.
Crap, I can't. Can you push the button? I gotta look at me. Well, I can't look. Go like this. Go in here. Okay. Where are you
Oh,
going?
I just stepped in it again.
She's stepping in the cantaloupe juices.
Gross.
Okay, so that's what happens when you microwave the can of shaving cream. It just comes apart at its seams. And I tried smacking it on the ground. It didn't explode, so I don't know. It's still bubbling in there. Anyway, so that's what happens. Oh, you got shaving cream all over your hands too.
Yeah.
Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.
Oh wait,
Okay,
I'm
wait.
like.